Hi, good morning, guys. So, today we are starting our journey and we are trying to go somewhere. So, very soon you will come to know. So, we have a new member today with us. He is Mayank. Mayank, say hi.
Hi.
Then Vedika, as usual. Then she is Sanchita and he is Master Arav. So, let's see. We will try to reach a destination and we will reveal you the beauty of that destination. It's a beautiful fort nearby. So we are not in Mumbai right now. We are outside Mumbai. So let's see how we can reach. I hope we will reach there within 15-20 minutes and catch you there. We are at Shirgaon Fort right now, and it's early morning. So there is a bright sunny, and we are shooting from the backside. So we will see now from inside how it looks. It is in a better condition. It is on the seashore only. Okay, let's see. So this is the first glimpse, and this is the entrance. Of the fort. Let's see whether we will be able to move inside or not. The gate seems to be closed. When I visited last time, I've seen some maintenance job was going on. So right now we will check out whether we will be able to move inside or not. Some details of the fort. So they have mentioned everything. Where is the entrance? So this is the entrance of the fort. This fort is on seashore only, but we are unable to move inside. It still seems to be locked. Let's see. We will check out after some time also if they open the gate, because as such there is no government mandate to lock. We will check out. The towers are in a very good condition. Of course, they have maintained it various times. So this is the main entrance of the fort, and it was beautiful from inside. Unfortunately, it is locked at this moment, so we cannot go inside. We will check out after some time if anybody comes and if they open the gate. And hopefully, I wish to move inside and I wish to shoot this particular fort for you, but we will check out now after some time. Beautiful scenery. They have made very good plantation here. We can view few horses. First glimpse of the beach. Wow. The feeling is simply wow. It's beautiful beach. Somewhat dirty, needs to clean. And this whole beautiful beach. There is no much more public. There is a cool breeze from the sea. It's a very good one. It's a beautiful view. I think he came out at a wrong place, so he is taking his ship back to that village. I hope it is visible. One more ship is there, they are taking it out. It's beautiful, awesome. Very few public. And oh, water is oozing out, water is chasing me. Going. I don't know where he is going, but he is going far away. I thought we will catch him and we will check out what fish he caught. But that seems it is not possible. Let's see now. It's a beautiful day, bright sunny day. Few people are enjoying the breeze. One lady is dancing there. She is doing some shoots, I hope, for TikTok or YouTube or Instagram. That's good, very good. Now that is the train. So very few people, and I liked it because the sand is somewhat whitish. We are at Shirgaon sea face. Wow, wow, wow. So we will see now what is the situation, and we are enjoying bright sunny morning. After many days we can get the vitamin D here. Everybody is enjoying. We found many things on the seashore and many shells and all, but I found some flower. I don't know, it is a sea flower. I think it is a flower. I don't know the reality. If anybody of our viewer know what is this one, this is a part of a plant, so it is a flower or what, just let us know, so we can have that information and we will add in our knowledge.
This is our today's collection. We found many things on sea shore. And these two are the beautiful one which you will see in the photographs. It has a very different type of a design on it. It is not visible in the video, but I will surely show it on, add some photographs. Different types of shells and big shells. I never seen this big shells on the seashore. At least on this seashore, very first time I have seen this. So this is our today's catch and today's treasure.